Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Swapper. I'm your host, Nobodyspecial. Today we're going to be continuing from where we left off, which I believe was after we went through the transporter tubes. And we're still trying to find our way out. Well, let's see. First, let me get my bearings and we'll begin today's topic. We'll go up here. Now, the universe is a very big place, far more complex than we can even imagine. Scientists... Oh shit, hold on, I'm gonna go up here. Yes. Scientists, when describing the universe and its vast expanse, tend to use very large numbers. And these large numbers make perfect sense to other scientists, but to common people, numbers just don't cut it. I'm gonna do this. Awesome. Uh-oh. That's not gonna work. I can't teleport through that. Oh, I can't even teleport out of this in general. The pain and the suffering this is gonna cause me. But to the common people, numbers just don't cut it. These numbers are so big that lots of people just end up with a blank stare on their face. I'll finish this puzzle, I swear. How am I gonna get it over there? And, you know, astronomy and astrophysics are just filled with numbers that are big like this one. What am I supposed to do with you? What does this accomplish? And that's not anyone's fault. The brain is not capable of naturally visualizing how big some of the expanses of the universe are. It's really up to the trained professionals like, the scientists that we have today to figure this out. And, such numbers like 47 billion light years, the total expanse of the universe, are just not within the natural mind's reach of visualizing. And a lot of, science is really based around these large numbers. And my job today is to try and help you. I can go through this. I think I know what I'm supposed to do. I say that large number, and I can imagine it doesn't evoke an overwhelming, as overwhelming of a response as it should. And that makes perfect sense because, as I said, it's not naturally able to equip itself with such knowledge. I'll put that there. Can't put a guy down here. That's going to create some problems. I know what I can do. Hup. Oh, shit. No, I guess I don't. Okay. God damn it. This is going to be much more problematic than I thought. Unless... But, anyway, in 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope stared at a minuscule bland point of light, a bland point of our night sky that just looked completely dark, as if there was nothing there. And that couldn't have been farther from the truth. There was something there. And that image that was resulted was called the Hubble Deep Field. And the resulting image was just one of such significance that even just describing it to you, I'm having a hard time because it's something that you just have to see for yourself. How do I do this? I know. Can I just put one up? No, I guess I can't. It's too good for me. I'll figure this out, I promise you that. Let's go this way. Hold on. Damn you. Alright, we'll figure this out. I need my train of thought, though. Perfect. Yes! Damn it! God damn it. Alright. We can figure this out. Maybe I need to do that last. There we go. And I can barely even begin to describe, the complexity and the amazing nature of the image that was resulted from this. Ah, fuck. See, when I want to move, it's gonna... God damn. If it's any surprise to you, I'm no good at puzzle games. Could do Portal. Could do Portal just fine. And I see this image, I'm filled with this overwhelming sense of excitement. In this image, roughly 3,000 galaxies were captured in this small patch of sky that looked utterly empty and void. And to me, that's just amazing because... Fuck you, man. To me, that's just amazing because it was literally like a millimeter of our visible night sky that we looked at for 10 days and found things that we could only dream of, if not even dream. Like, it's just so amazing and just not what we expected to find. And, putting this into perspective... We're on a planet, one of 8 that orbit a very basic common yellow dwarf star. And our star is just one of the 5 billion in our own barred spiral galaxy. I don't want to spend the whole video on this puzzle. I'm just... I might go quiet for a second just while I solve this. I'll probably just cut it out just for the consistency of my discussion here. Fuck, man, just stay on it. Alright, I think I just figured it out and I didn't even have to cheat. Fuck. Fuck. Oops. Here. God fucking damn it, man. Okay. I think I figured it out. I'm not sure if this is the exact way I was supposed to do it, but it's the way I'm doing it. Oh yeah. That feels awesome. Alright, but picking up from where we left off, we're on a small planet, one of 8 in our star system. These planets orbit a very basic, yellow medium-sized star, something very common. How many of these do I need and for which teleporter? I just realized that I don't know where I'm going. Ah shit, did I do this one already? Fuck. And our planet, or sorry, our star is just one of the 5 billion in our own barred spiral galaxy. Big numbers, sorry. But, well, take a look at a picture of the Pinwheel Galaxy in your spare time. Every single point of light that you see in that, I've been here already. Every single point of light you see in that galaxy is a star just like our own, each one with the possibility of, planets orbiting just within the habitable zone for life. And that's just amazing, especially with just our own galaxy. And our galaxy is just one of many in our local cluster, and there are many, many, many galaxies out there, which comprise of 54 galaxies in our own local cluster, let alone everybody else's. Did I do this one already? I don't know. There's nothing here, so I guess so. And there are countless galaxy clusters out there just like that one. And thinking our galaxy is just one with all of this, amazing stuff to give and to see, just amplify that by trillions even. Maybe not trillions. Maybe trillions, who knows? We haven't even seen everything out there yet. It's just that expansive. This soundtrack is just amazing. And even from our own even on our own frontier here, if we're on, the countryside and we look up at the sky and we see an amazing just display of stars, those are only 6,000 stars of our own galaxy that we can see at any given time on the clearest night. And that's just not even scratching the surface of what's out there. That's only 6,000 out of billions of stars in our own galaxy. And that's really what gets me when I look at this image, is that that's our own galaxy. And in the Hubble Deep Field, there's galaxies upon galaxies. And that's just something I find overwhelmingly exciting. Here's another one. If you guys hear a paper rustling, it's me going through my notes. Let's see. How can we do this? Hello, guy. Alright, we can figure this out. I need to get that box. I can't put a guy up there. I'll take that, thank you. Didn't I already do this puzzle? I feel like this is familiar. Hey, buddy. That didn't do anything. Oh, yes it did. But how am I gonna get back up from up here? See, now I can't jump up here. What's gonna... How the what? That's no good. Hold on, guys. Let me just do this puzzle real quick. See, it's so close. I just need the box over there. I got it. I got it. I know what I'm supposed to do. Yes! This isn't too hard. That's why that's there. See, I'm smart sometimes. That's what I'm talking about. What the hell? Why am I down here? It doesn't matter. Looks like I'm supposed to be. Awesome. We got it. Now, the Ultra Deep Field, which was taken in 2003, roughly 8 years after the, original Deep Field, Hubble Deep Field. And the original Hubble Deep Field contained, thousands of galaxies in itself. But this one contained 10,000 galaxies. 10,000 galaxies, bigger, smaller, maybe just the size of our own. And that was even, that just delivered humbling feeling on a grand scale, because this was every point of light. Every single galaxy that you saw was just containing millions and millions, or even billions and billions of stars, most of them exactly like our own star. And that, looking at this image, the thought of life being nowhere else in the galaxy, that Earth is just something super, unique, that feeling is just erased, and you've just got this feeling of minusculity that really the only way to describe it is uselessness. And that can even be further from the truth. The human race is something amazing. It's just a jumble of chemicals and elements, just like everything else around you. The laptop I'm on, the paper I'm using, the trees, the air, everything's just a mixture of chemicals, compounds, and elements that pretty much make up everything else, just in a different order. We're in a way, we're in a way just a way for the universe to know itself. It's a jumble of chemicals that happen to be aligned in a perfect order so that we can be able to just learn about the universe. And we're, in a sense, created by the universe for the universe to know itself. That's the only way I can really put it. And, it's just amazing that this is what we see in a blank spot of the sky where nothing appears to be, that there are this many galaxies coming from nothing. And this is a picture of 47 billion light years. This single most important image ever taken by humanity is really just a sum of everything amazing. And that's why this is one of my most favorite images that I'll ever see, mainly because it's just invokes such an amazing, humbling feeling of adventure and mystery and whimsical, that feeling that you get. It's something that I can't even begin to recreate. And it's just one of the most humbling things you'll ever experience. I think I remember where I'm supposed to go. I don't think it was this way. Sorry buddies, you guys are gonna have to die. And really, that was my topic for this episode, just that amazing feeling of, space. It's something that you can't reproduce. You'll have to see it for yourself. I'll put links in the description for the video that I took these notes from, and also a couple of the images that I'm talking about. So that way you guys won't have to just keep imagining what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure this is the way I'm supposed to go. So hopefully we'll find out. Nope, this is the thingy thing. I guess we'll get to that in the next video. I will be signing off for now, guys. Please take care. Always subscribe. Share the video if you know anybody who would love to know something about science. And I will see you guys in the next video.